are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's Lynceeluv here again, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to unbox another birthday present and share this beauty with you. This time, it's from Louis Vuitton. Let's check it out. So it comes in this beautiful box, guys, so let's open it so we can see what's inside. Alright, so there it is. Let's check it out. So there it is, guys. It comes with a dust bag. It is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful it is. This Alma PM handbag is made in France, and we can see that in here. I'll take a photo of it and I will insert it right here. So this Alma PM is truly a timeless house icon, crafted from signature Damier Ebene canvas and natural smooth cowhide trim. So all this chocolate leather, guys, are made of cowhide. All right, it's there and here, and also the handles. It is known to be weather resistant, so it's perfect for everyday use, rain or shine. Its signature dome shape is one of the most important designs in modern handbag history. The day version of Alma, as we know it, was first commissioned from Vuitton by Coco Chanel as one-off piece based on a larger travel bag of a similar shape, and soon after the Alma handbag went into production in the 1930s. So it has a hand-stitched torn handles. As you can see, it has a double zipped closure. There it is, guys. It has a golden hardware. It has 4 metal bottom studs. And that's what I love about this, guys, because I don't have to worry about scratching this leather every time I put it down, because this bottom studs will protect it. So this bag, guys, can be carried by hand or on the elbow, and since there's an option of using it as a crossbody, as you can see, there's a tab right there, and also in here I decided to purchase a leather strap since it doesn't come with it, unlike its smaller version, the Alma BB. So this strap that I bought is adjustable and it's so beautiful. I'll show it to you guys, some mod shots of how to carry this bag with or without the strap. As for the dimensions of this bag, it has a length of 12.6 inches. It has a height of 9.8 inches and a width of 6.3 inches. All right, let's open it, guys, so we can see what's inside. I don't know, guys, if it's just me or it's really the zipper. I find it a bit tough to unzip it. See? I viewed some of the vlogs regarding this, and some of them are saying that the zipper glides smoothly when they open it, but with my Alma PM, I find it a bit tough to open it. So what I would do is I have to put it on a flat surface, and I have to do it with both hands. So like when closing it, I have to do this, right? I have to hold on to it so I can close it like that. And to open it, I have to make sure that it's on a flat surface and then open it this way. So this bag comes with a padlock. There it is, guys. There's a padlock, right? It has a Louis Vuitton engraved in this padlock, and it says LV, and it comes with a set of keys. Also, it comes with a key bell that I can attach to the bag, and of course the receipt and all the papers that can tell that it's authentic. So it says here coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, etc., etc., and of course the price of the bag and the code. All right, this bag has a red lining, guys. It looks so beautiful, and it has two flat pockets. You know, you can put your smartphone in here, and there's a lot of space for other things. And with that said, let's see what fits in this bag. So for me, what's important to have in my bag is, of course, to have my wallet, right? So let's put it there, and my sunglasses just in case I need it. And a fact about me, guys, when I bring my sunglasses, I always bring it in the box. There it is, guys. And of course my key holder, my phone, and earbuds for my phone, and of course my car key. There it is, guys. As you can see, there's still a lot of space for me to put some stuff, like this bottle of sanitizer, right? This one. There's still a lot of space in here, guys, and that's what I love about this bag. Aside from the option of using it as a crossbody bag, I know that I can bring all my essentials every time I use this bag. This is truly a gorgeous bag, guys, and I'm so thankful for having this as a birthday gift. Thank you guys for watching and being with me in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and share it with your friends. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time, bye.